Here is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card and then how to check the mobile settings. So very simple here. So let me just put in back the SIM tray here. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and eject or take out the SIM tray right here on the bottom right hand side. So you can go ahead and get your SIM ejection tool. It should be in your box here. It should be right here. Okay, if you don't have that laying around, you can always use like a different SIM ejection tool from a different phone or whatnot, or even like a thin paper clip or bobby pin, or even a backup stud earring, as long as it's kind of long and kind of thin. Okay, so here's my SIM card here. I just took it out of my iPhone 11 Pro. I'm going to put it in here for the first time. So let's go ahead and take out the SIM tray. You can see the little hole on the left side of that outline of that tray right there. Put the needle in there, and then we're going to press in until the lip here pops out like a little tiny bit, and then we can go ahead and just slide this out. Now I'm going to move this out just like this. I'm not going to turn it over, leave it just like this. Grab your SIM card. Now if you look at the tray here, the top right hand side has a diagonal slit right up there. I just want to go ahead and line it up with the SIM card, and the metal part is going to be facing up, okay? And the diagonal slit on the SIM card is on the top right hand side right there as well. So I'm going to press it in just like that. Hear like a little snap. It should be nice and flush there. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this in very slowly. All the way in, and then let's see if it finds it here. Emergency call. Okay, there we go. It says T-Mobile, which is my carrier here in the US, and I see my reception bars right there as well. Okay, so now what I want to do is double check my mobile settings here. So as soon as I signed in, I get this service provider update, so I need to go ahead and restart my phone. This is typically with T-Mobile. If you have T-Mobile in the US, then most likely you're going to have to restart. Okay, so let me just tap on this and wait for this to boot back up. Okay, signing back in now. Now from here we want to go directly to your settings, so we can slide up in the middle of the screen like this and look for your settings app. Slide over to the left. Mine's right here, settings. Let's tap on that. And then let's tap on connections right here. Tap on connections. And then from here we're going to tap on mobile networks. Let's tap on that. And we can see that data roaming, they automatically toggled mine on. Some of you guys may want that off, or some of you guys may get charged at a certain point. I have unlimited data roaming, so I always leave mine on. We can see network mode here. That looks good. I have auto connect, 5G, LTE, 3G, and so on. So my SIM card is up and running. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck, guys.